That's the view from here. That's Marina Park, ABC Building. Then yung island doon is Sipaway Island. And there is the seaport. Diyan dumadaong yung mga bangka. Yan. Ipaparating na pump-boat. Yan. Yung mga pump-boat na yan is going to Sipaway Island. Pwede kayo mag-rent dyan for island hopping, going to that Sipaway Island. No? Kita dito yung Sipaway Island. Pero pag masama ang weather, hindi yan nakikita. Natatabunan siya ng ulan, I mean. That's the Marina Park. Maganda yun doon, lakad-lakad. Yan yung view namin dito. Yan. Ito naman mga maliliit na fisherman's boat. Dati itong road na ito, dagat ito eh. Nireclaim ito. Yan, nireclaim na yan. Papunta doon. So lumapit na yung dagat. I mean yung road